Hi everybody, and welcome to today's quick video. I'm going to give you 5 top tips to help you improve your chances of passing that driving test. If you're new to the channel, by the way, click on subscribe, and if you're liking the video, give it a thumbs up. Quick intro coming up, and then let's get on with it. So your first tip I'm going to give you is give yourself time to arrive on the day of your driving test. And I say this to all my students when we're planning that time to get there. If it takes you 10 minutes to get to the driving test, give yourself 20 minutes, because something will crop up on the way there. Either you're running a few minutes late in the morning, or you pull out the driveway and someone's bin truck's reversing into the road where you are, an extra few minutes. So give yourself time to get to the driving test. And if you're arriving there when you know it's rush hour, don't kind of think I'll just better drive straight there, because there might be a queue and the roads surrounding the test centre. So kind of get yourself there a little bit earlier than normal so that you can settle down, go through the questions, and be ready to drive in there when the time is right. So the second one, and I've been teaching people to drive now for getting on for about 18, 19 years, nearly 20 years. And every now and then when someone doesn't pass, and I'm talking to them afterwards, and it's usually a junction or a meeting situation, and the examiners give them a series for it. So I said, what happened? And they always say, I thought I could make it. So I said, well, the driving test is about driving safely and interacting safely, not taking risks. So the nerves are going to play a part. So just remember to not take any silly risks. If you know you can do it safely, then great. Okay, good luck on that bit. The third one is be friendly to the examiner. They're only human. And I say to all my students, when they call your name up, obviously have your driving license ready and say, yeah, that's me, thank you. And they start talking to you at the beginning. Be nice to them, don't be grumpy. I know the nerves makes you feel a bit nervous, but I've 1 or 2 students over the years, and they're like, giving it all this sort of stuff. Just say, yes, that's me, thank you. You can call me James or whatever your name is at that point, because they're going to ask you, what do I call you? My name's David, what do I call you? Oh, you can call me James or whatever your name is. So be friendly to them, because they're only human, and it makes a big difference to settling them nerves down with you and the examiner at the same time. So the fourth one is staying focused. When you're in that waiting room, waiting to start that driving test, it's easy to get a bit nervous. But as soon as that examiner comes out and then you're outside, before you know it, you're in that car and you're driving. It happens pretty quickly. And one of the things that does catch people out is they switch off in the first few minutes, because it happens that quick. So you've got to remember that you're there to drive, you're there to pass that driving test. So when you're waiting at a waiting room, just keep yourself focused about what you're going to do to be safe and pass that test. So the final one then, the fifth one, is mistakes happen, but keep yourself safe. So if you're driving along and you're following the sat nav and it says left turn and you realise you just missed it, don't worry about it. Keep yourself safe. Just say, I'm sorry, I just missed that turn. The examiner's probably going to say to you at that point there, don't worry, you've missed your turn, I'm going to direct you back. They're not going to give you serious at that point, but if you try and force your way into that situation, that's dangerous. You're going to get serious there, aren't you? So you're going to make mistakes after you pass your driving test. So keep yourself safe, stay focused, don't be put off by the mistake, okay? Because if you get put off by it or you give up at that point, then what's the point in you taking your test? Stay focused, okay? Good luck on the driving test. I hope these 5 tips help you. Also, I'm going to put a couple of little videos at the bottom for you if you fancy watching them too. Good luck, stay safe, hope you pass.